Every president in our history has defended this orderly transfer of authority, except one. January 6th, 2021 was the first time one American president refused his constitutional duty to transfer power peacefully to the next.
In their final public presentation, the January 6th committee announced they have accumulated sufficient evidence that the former president be prosecuted for 4 different crimes: obstruction of an official proceeding, conspiracy to defraud the United States, conspiracy to make a false statement, and inciting or assisting an insurrection. Mr. Trump would be the first person to face an insurrection charge related to January 6th.
The president has an affirmative and primary constitutional duty to act to take care that the laws be faithfully executed. Nothing could be a greater betrayal of this duty than to assist in insurrection against the constitutional order.
But the committee's criminal referrals carry no legal weight. Any charging decisions still fall to DOJ prosecutors, led by special counsel Jack Smith, who now oversees the department's ongoing Trump-related probes. Still, committee members say they felt the weight of history, having completed their 18-month investigation, which included more than 1,200 witness interviews and more than 1 million pages of records reviewed.
I'm proud of the work of the committee. I'm proud of the staff and the time they put in.
Republicans, though, have blasted the committee as a partisan sham, a committee comprised of 7 Democrats and 2 Republicans, all fierce critics of Mr. Trump. It's a response Mr. Trump echoed in a radio interview conducted during the hearing.
We have all Democrats and Republicans in very poor standing, 2 of them. I mean, the whole thing. It's a kangaroo court. What can I say?
While the Justice Department alone will decide whether to file any charges, a former U.S. attorney points out the difficulty ahead for those decision makers.
We are in uncharted waters. We've never had this process unfold before, and we'll just have to see how it plays out and trust that the lawyers in the Department of Justice do their job, whatever that means, without fear or favor, which is what they're supposed to do.
The committee is set to release its final written report on Wednesday.